Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the TACKLIFE brand, the classic mouse detail sander, model PMS01A. You can see the unit before you. It has an attachable filter. I'm going to show you how to use that. A nice long, almost 10-foot long power cord, 3 meters. It includes 12 pieces of sandpaper, 6 pieces of 80 grit, and 6 pieces of 100 grit, so that you can do rough sanding and fine detail sanding. The sandpaper is unique. It has a Velcro material attached on it, and that actually mates with the bottom of the sander. And you can see those holes right there to let the dust through. And that goes right in place just like that. Very nice. And then the unit itself has a filter that you could remove for cleaning. Comes out just like that. And then if you look on the tool itself, it has a lock function that mates with this right here. There's a gasket there. So you line this up, you push it in place, and then you turn it clockwise, and that is on there. It'll allow you to collect dust while you're sanding. It's got low vibration and noise. We're going to test that. And the power switch, you notice, has a very nice rubberized clear cover on there that allows dust not to go into the switch. This will run at 12,000 orbits per minute, and that's they've selected that so that it works with different grits of sandpaper on different materials. It draws 1.1 amps. We're going to test that. That's the power. And it's an ergonomic design. All the parts that touch your hand are covered with rubber, so it allows one-handed operation. And it feels really good. In fact, the balance point of this is right where your hand goes, which is nice, so that you're not fighting it. And then when you sand, it'll be a nice flat sand that you could get when you're sanding anything. The actual size of the sandpaper, let's see, we'll just measure it right here. So that's about 5.5 by 4, and then it tapers down, as you can see right there. The unit comes with a nice instruction booklet in different languages, and it has a warranty card, so you can extend the warranty to 3 months. There's 24 months of customer support and 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can go online to extend that warranty to 3 months, otherwise it's 1 month. So I have the unit plugged in. I'm just going to do a simple test drive, a watt meter right there. And let's just turn the unit on. And you can see it's about 1.2 amps, which is what they're saying. So that's the amount of power that this thing is consuming. And it sounds really nice, and it feels good on the hand. The sander also includes another adapter. And this adapter, so that if you want to go to a dust collection system, you can put this on the back of the sander, just like the other component, turned clockwise. And now you have a nice attachment to go to a dust collection system that you might have in your shop. So I'm here in my basement workshop, and I have another sander, a DeWalt sander, and I'm going to compare the two to the TACKLIFE sander. Now, first of all, you notice the weight difference. This is very heavy. This feels like double the weight than this one. Now, because this is a square, it's a little bit hard to do detail work in corners, things like that. Let's just notice the sound difference. We're going to first put this on. We're going to put on the TACKLIFE. So the first thing you notice is the TACKLIFE is much quieter, and it's a lower frequency. It's got less annoying of a sound. Now you see right here I've got this 90-degree piece of soft pine, and what's nice about this is you can go right into the corner. very easy to do detail work in the corners, the edges of pieces of wood. And you notice that it doesn't come off. It's the double-sided Velcro on there holds it in place quite nicely. And the dust collection will collect all the dust right in there, and then you can empty it out. And occasionally you can rinse out that bag, wash it, and then let it air dry, and you'll be all set. So what do I think about the TACKLIFE brand, the classic mouse detail sander model PMS01A? I like this tool. It's got a nice feel to it, and the reduced hand fatigue. And if you notice, it's got a unique angle on the grip, rubberized control. I love how the sandpaper has the Velcro on there that mates with the Velcro on here. The holes that work with the filter work really well. The way this locks in place works really well. The long power cord helps also, and it's also very flexible. So as I demonstrated, this thing works just great, and I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.